Welcome to London Kids Academy.
I'm Timmy. Come join me as I do my daily routine. Let's stay happy, healthy, and clean together. I brush my teeth every morning and night. Wash my hands with soap and water. After I eat, I wipe my face nice and clean. I grab a tissue and wipe my nose. Let's comb my hair so it's neat and tidy. Shirt and shorts, I can dress myself. One sock, two socks, then my red shoes. Splish splash, bath time with bubbles. Thanks for joining me, friends. Let's stay clean, strong, and happy every day. Bye-bye.